Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the exact keyboard model and checking the battery level so you avoid surprises. Power the phone off now and remove SIM plus SD cards. This prevents data loss and short circuits. Next, ground yourself with an ESD strap and lay out tools, small Phillips, spudger, tweezers organized left to right. Once done, unlock any visible screws and pry a corner gently. You want controlled force to separate clips without cracking the frame, so take a breath and proceed slowly. Once the cover is removed, you'll expose the keyboard assembly and ribbon cables. Make sure to note their orientation before disconnecting. Carefully detach the ribbons by lifting the locking tabs, then inspect under each key for debris, corrosion, or damaged domes. If you find dirt, use compressed air and a cotton swab with 90% isopropyl. For corrosion, gently clean contacts until shiny. While reassembling, apply light pressure to secure connectors, and then test keys one by one to confirm electrical continuity. You now perform the repair. Swap torn ribbon cables or rubber pads, and use Captain tape where insulation is needed to prevent shorts. Reseat each connector in the correct orientation, replace screws with gentle, even torque, and return SIM and SD cards to their slots. Power the phone on and verify every key functions. If a key is still dead, make sure the ribbon is fully flat and clean. Then try a soft reset or reflow the connector. This single check often fixes lingering connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.